How to download a movie from Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can download a movie from Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to download a movie from Netflix, first of all, make sure you've taken a Netflix app subscription and then go ahead and then open it up. Then once you open it up, you will see this type of interface over here. Then what you want to do from here is, if you want to download a movie, just go ahead and then stream that movie first of all here. Then once you go ahead and open up that movie, right here you'll find the download option. Now if it is season wise, then you'll have to download the whole season if you want to, and if you want to switch the season, you can tap on this and you can select other seasons that you might want over here, and you can tap the download option to download it. This way you'll be able to download a movie from Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.